ग्लेड कि हमारे बच्चों ने नीट में इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया है। हम तो बोलते ही रहते हैं आपको ये करना है वो करना है, पर आज आप जो नीट में कॉन्कर कर चुके हैं, जिनका रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छा आया है, आप उनसे सुनिए, उनकी जुबानी सुनिए कि उन्होंने कैसे किया ये।
NEET is like entrance exam to get into medical college, and those who get better results become doctor. But whose result is it anyway? Is it of student or teachers or institutes? I think result is of students. Okay, some credit goes to teachers also. I can say 2 to 3% of credit goes to teachers, but 98% of the credit of the result goes to students and family. Entire family shows a lot of sacrifices during these 2 years of preparation of NEET. When a student is in 11th and 12th, and when a student is preparing for NEET, it feels like entire family is preparing for NEET. Obviously to get better results. But what is better result? अच्छा result क्या होता है? सबका अच्छा या सबसे अच्छा? सबसे अच्छा is very good. बट अगर सबका अच्छा हो, दैट इज ग्रेट। सबका अच्छा रिजल्ट जो होता है, आई थिंक वही सबसे अच्छा होता है। सबका अच्छा रिजल्ट इज सबसे अच्छा रिजल्ट। एंड फॉर एनी टीचर और इंस्टीट्यूशन, इट नीड करेज टू शो रिजल्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू रिजल्ट ऑफ ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स। ऑल, जो फर्स्ट है वो भी और जो लास्ट है वो भी। फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट करके लास्ट तक जाएंगे। एंड प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो especially to those who are in 10th or 11th or 12th and those who want to become doctor, and share to their parents also, because my students are going to give you some wonderful tips for great achievements. तो सबसे अच्छा से स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे अच्छा क्या होता है? सबसे अच्छा होता है फर्स्ट, हाईएस्ट इन इंडिया। If I talk about biology, my subject, then it is 360 out of 360. That is highest in India. With percentile of 99.9968543. That is highest percentile in biology in India. And that is of Shailja Bhatt. So, Shailja will share with you.
Everyone knows that NCERT is important for biology, but how to actually prepare NCERT, I learned it here. And one tip for the student is that each and every line and each and every word in the NCERT textbook is equally important.
We have 2 students in top 100 AIR. Ajinkya Nayak is AIR 42. He is second in Gujarat and first in Ahmedabad. Got 705 out of 720. And in biology, 355. So now Ajinkya will share with you.
I am taking admission in Delhi AIIMS. विकास सर सब NCERT के टॉपिक्स तो अच्छे से पढ़ाते ही हैं, साथ ही साथ जितनी ज़रूरी है एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन भी देते हैं। और विकास सर सब कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी बिल्कुल अच्छे से और डीपली समझाते हैं। मेरी एडवाइस आपके लिए ये होगी कि पे अटेंशन ड्यूरिंग क्लास। हाफ द वर्क इज डन इफ यू पे अटेंशन। आप क्लास में ध्यान दो, आपका आधा काम वही हो जाएगा।
नेक्स्ट इज प्रथम जैन. Pratham Jain is AIR 79, 700 out of 720. He also got 355 in biology out of 360. Pratham will give you tips now.
All I want to say is regular tests are conducted here and the quality of test paper are excellent. And sir and ma'am motivated me a lot. Remember friends, there is no alternative other than hard work. You have to work hard, then only you can pursue your dream MBBS college. And one more thing guys, attempt every exam as if it was your NEET exam.
We have 6 students in top 500 AIR. 6 students, and that too only from total of about 200 students. That is great achievement. Krishil, is one of them. He will share with you.
Hey guys, when I completed 11th standard, I had many backlogs. Like in physics, I had many backlogs. But when I talked to Shefali ma'am, she gave me a complete timetable to cope up with both 11th standard and 12th standard. It was very helpful. And at the last moment, Vikas has took PCBs of 11th standard and 12th standard. Those also helped me to boost my studying power and my marks. To achieve your goals, I will suggest you to make your timetable more realistic, not too liberal, not too ambitious.
38 students scored above 600 marks. That is about 19% of students scored above 600.
Here with Vikas sir, we were only 32 students in a batch, and sir used very simple tricks to help us memorize the difficult things, जिससे हमें exams में easily सब याद आ जाता था. And my tips for the students will be that be sincere with your revisions. हर एक topic को आप ऐसे पढ़ो जैसे final NEET के लिए पढ़ रहे हो, because before NEET you are not going to get a chance to revise the entire syllabus.
I'm biology teacher, so let's talk about biology, my subject. 35 students are above 99 percentile. They scored above 99 percentile in biology. That is top 1% in India. So about 17% of my bachas are within 1% in India.
I think the environment created here is a very fun environment, and it really helps to study in that. And also over the past 2 years, ma'am and sir has kept us motivated and on track. So I'm really grateful to have them as my mentors. And I'm also very grateful for the fact that you get personal attention for each and every query that you have. You can go anytime to sir for any doubts, and afterwards you will have no doubt. I assure you that. Also, here's a tip for the students. Do not think that this is not important. Each and everything is important. Do it like your life depends on it.
102 students are above 95 percentile in biology. 95 percentile means top 5% in India. So about 50% of my students are within 5% in India.
Here we get the best competition. Students from institutions as well as personal classes come here. And I would suggest to all my juniors that competition is always required to bring the best out of you. Competition is always an exercise.
Hello all. So the best thing about this class is there is only one teacher. So there is good compatibility and we are comfortable, and there is uniformity. We don't have to get used to a new teacher again and again. So my advice to everyone would be to keep calm during your exam. It is natural for you to feel nervous and panicky, but it is important that you maintain your stability. Don't lose your calm, otherwise you'll just confuse yourselves.
Out of 200 of my total students, 146 students are above 90 percentile. That is about 73% of my students are within top 10% in India. Almost all students, मेरे सारे बच्चे, all students are within top 35% of India. ऐसा एक भी स्टूडेंट नहीं है जो इंडिया के टोटल 35% ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स से नीचे हो. Now with this wonderful result, नीट क्यों अपियर करते हैं सब लोग? मेडिकल में जाने के लिए, डॉक्टर बनने के लिए. रिजल्ट तो है, but what about placements? With this result and with past experience, we expect that 75 to 80% of students will get admission into medical college. मेरे जो टोटल जितने भी बच्चे हैं उसमें से मेरे 75 to 80% बच्चे मेडिकल में एडमिशन मिल जाएगा उन लोगों को। सो विद दिस रिजल्ट सबका अच्छा रिजल्ट है, इसीलिए सबसे अच्छा रिजल्ट है। सो आई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट टू ऑल माई बच्चास फॉर गेटिंग वंडरफुल रिजल्ट। इट्स ग्रेट to achieve this, and I also congratulate to all family members for the support they have shown, because इस बार जो लॉकडाउन का पीरियड था that was very much problematic for kids. Uncertainty में वो लोग ने जो courage show किया है that is excellent. So congratulations to all of you.